to Chem 11 Winter 2024. This is Dr. Sahat Nali and I'll be your instructor for the entire term. The purpose of this video is just to walk you through the Canvas shell very briefly, not in any detail. We will discuss all the details when we first meet in person on the SMC campus next Tuesday during lab time. When you log into the Canvas shell, you should see this page. Some of the most important components are the syllabus, which I'll go to now, where you can learn about how the course is structured and what the different assignments are that you will have to complete throughout the term. You're going to need the required materials. So when we meet in lab on Tuesday, I'll set aside some time for you to get these materials. The other important component of this course is the announcement that I'll be sending, sometimes multiple times a week. The first one that I've posted is the information on how to use the weekly student discussion forum. Make sure you set your phone to deliver these notifications when the announcements or any other updates are posted on Canvas, so you immediately know what's going on in the class. The most important part of the course is the weekly modules. This is what it looks like. The weekly module basically shows you what's going on every week. This is a 6-week course. Week 2 all the way to week 6 are currently locked, but they will be unlocked as we go through the course. So in week 1, this is what we'll be doing. So that means starting from Tuesday all the way to the end of the week. And given the nature of how compacted this course is and how much material we have to cover, every day there's going to be at least one assignment, if not multiple assignments due. So you can see that on January 2nd, which is our first day of class, there's already 3 assignments that are due. This one is to introduce yourself. You need to do this. If you don't do this, you will be dropped from the class. That's a requirement from the college. The practice here is also going to be something that you're going to need to do before we meet in class. And then we'll spend some time during class working through this lab report, but that lab report is going to be due at the end of January 2nd. I just want to convey how fast-paced this class is. I want to make sure everybody knows it right at the beginning. There are 2 specific parts of these modules I want to highlight briefly. One is what I call the lecture page, which is always the start of every module. So when you click on that, you will see lecture videos that you have to watch every week, and this is all the videos you're responsible for in week 1. There's always a lecture notes that's attached to that, and you want to open that or have that printed out while you're watching these videos because you can then follow along. We will also have problem-solving session meetings. We're going to meet through Zoom on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So once those meetings finish, the recordings will be posted here. The other part of the module that I want to highlight is called the on-ground meetings or the on-ground activities information page. If you go there, you will see that this gives us all the activities that we would be doing every time we meet on campus. So as I said, our first meeting is January 2nd. During that meeting, we would be working through lab safety, the graphing with Excel lab, and we would also check into our lockers. You want to bring these documents with you, whether in virtual form or in paper form. And you also want to watch these videos prior to coming in. Let me summarize what you need to do before we meet next week. You need to bring these documents, read through the procedure for the Excel lab, watch the Excel pre-lab videos, and then watch the safety video as well, and then complete 2 assignments before you come in. Introduce yourself to the class, and then try your best to complete this pre-lab practice on Excel. You can do this as many times as you want. If you have questions on it, when we meet, we'll discuss it. Okay, I look forward to seeing everybody on Tuesday. Bye now.